Hi everyone, I'm pleased to announce we're launching WindCheck, our new engineer-led wind data management service. WindCheck is a culmination not just of months of back-end technical work, but actually years working with clients and developers around the world to really understand what you guys need to look after your measurement systems out in the wild. Being a developer is hard, building wind farms is hard, and I've never yet met a developer who doesn't have a to-do list longer than their arm. But we were finding that the traditional systems weren't really helping that. They would spew out a long list of sensor issues without actually telling you what you need to know, which is what maintenance needs to be done on site and how important it is. So we've based WindCheck around a very simple weekly action list that gives you a prioritized list of maintenance that needs to happen on site. Maybe there's a problem with the primary anemometers on mast 1. In that situation, you need to get to site as soon as possible to fix those before they start impacting the uncertainties in the measurement campaign. Meanwhile, maybe mast 4 has an issue with the secondary temperature sensor. That's much less important, and we'll put that as low priority so you know you don't need to look after that initially, and you can go back to that when you've got more time and resources at hand. We can do that because we've blended just the right amount of automation with just the right amount of engineering time. Once a week, an experienced wind engineer will look at your data. They'll look at the problems with your systems and your sensors, and they'll prioritize which needs to be repaired as soon as possible to make sure that there's no impact on the uncertainties in your final energy assessment, in another few months or years to come. So if you've got lots of systems out there in the wild that need a bit of love and attention, come to us. We'd be happy to give you a demonstration of WindCheck and let us look after your systems out there.